Hello and welcome back to the channel. Just doing a quick little update of what's been going on. I have been working on the Mach 1 still. The driver or passenger side's pretty much done. I did do the driver side off camera because it's the same process as this one. I'm sure you guys didn't want to see me sitting there grinding for another hour or two. Still a couple spots left. While I was doing that, I did go ahead and order Por15 because I thought that was one of the better products out on the market for rust preventative. But then after watching Repair Geek's YouTube channel and all the processes he went through to see which one actually did better, Mastercoat actually came on top. So I went ahead and ordered a couple quarts of that, and I actually ordered their whole system just to get that going. And while I waited, I started working. That's when I started working on the driver's side. And while right now it's a little too cold to paint it on, and I have actually been really busy, so I don't have time to actually do it and pay attention because you have to recoat it within a certain amount of time. And I also want to add the lizard coat to mimic the original way that it was done on the wheel well area. So that's why I haven't done it. But once it gets, I have a couple days to paint it and then coat it a couple times and then apply the lizard skin. Once I have a couple days free, then I'll go ahead and do that. But in the meantime, I want to get the car ready for paint. So what I'm going to do is start stripping the car of anything that I don't want to get painted. And I'm going to start off with the doors. Well, with this door, basically removing the old door panel, the locks, all the weather stripping, because all of this has to come off. I have new stuff for this as well. So all this is going to come off. I'll probably work on the door, and then I'll start working on the windows as well, like all the rubber and stuff. While I was looking at it, I pulled the headliner back a little bit, and all this rat junk, I don't know if you can still see, rat droppings or squirrel droppings started coming down. So I'm thinking of just taking down the whole headliner just to get rid of all of that and the smell. But that's how everything's been going. Don't mind that. That's not nose candy. It's actually I put some soda powder or baking soda just to try to absorb the smell because it smells pretty crazy in here. But not really helped. I also put a little smelling thing to help absorb the smell, and that really didn't help. I think leaving the windows down has helped quite a bit. But I want to get the car out to paint, and I'm not sure yet if I should put the new suspension on just so I could roll it to the paint shop, or put a dolly and then roll it to the paint shop and then bring it back and then install it. What do you guys think on that? Should I install the new one? Also, what's your opinion on Por15 or Mastercoat? Which one would you guys go with and why? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.